Hi, today I will show you the easiest way to install S2000 cluster in your EK. If you don't want to watch all the video, just go to the link below and order the complete kit, and I will describe how does it work, hopefully. So, except AP1 dashboard, the cluster, I also bought optional thing, it's Bezel, and the most thing for me is I am completely noob in wires and electricity, so for me it was important to order complete kit, just plug and enjoy. So I ordered the kit with this side is going to the S2000 cluster, this one is in the car side. So this kit costs $200. So you can easily do it by yourself, wire by wire. There are a lot of manuals in internet. But anyways, to do that, you have to buy this one. It's a converter. This device taking measurements from the car and converts it to the format that dashboard can read. So it is coming with wires. From one side you just plug it in the connector, and the other side you have to tap to your wiring in under the dashboard. But this kit already includes it, and somebody did it for me, so I did nothing for that, and this is the most important for me. To adjust the speedometer and probably refresh this converter, it also has a USB cable to the computer. It's pretty easy, but let's see if it will work. Normally you have to warm up your engine and have hopefully half of your fuel tank to adjust more precisely this converter. This is to show in the dashboard actual numbers, but we have Honda's virtual dashboard, so we can check it, and we don't need it actually. They say that in default it is adjusted on the tire size 205 50 by 15. I have almost the same, 205 45 16, so it should be close to that. So let's try. One more important thing is to roll it back if somebody will have questions, if it will not work or something, so I can just back up it, and in any time I can switch it back and forth, and it should work.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never cap in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Раз, что ли, должен этот сбрасывать, блин? Наушники. Ну ладно. Ну типа, это все работает. Ух ты.
Типа ночной режим?
Ну да. Что еще есть? Well, as we see, it's finally working, it's alive. It shows little bit lower kilometers, lower speed than expected, but it is easily adjustable. Fuel shows quite well, it's exactly what I had in my stock dashboard. The only problem is with temperature, so dashboard shows normal and this is shows over high, so we will try to do something. The rest working well. Biggest problem that in sunlight you don't see anything because it is like mirror and you see only your face instead of speed and RPMs. Here comes some more handsome films when we go in on the evening, when you can see the dashboard itself. And look at this and see you next video.
Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it, you know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic, keep them out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything, it's meant to